So welcome back. Either way, you know the drill. I appreciate every single one of you. So today, right, June just started yesterday, so I decided why not do a bright summer look. I really like to wear makeup when it's hot outside. Me personally, it doesn't bother me. I don't put on like a lot, but you know, I'm fine with wearing like eyeshadow and lashes and brows. I'd be fine. But you know, if you're looking for a cute little summer look when you're going out, you know, this is the video for you. So I was looking through all my palettes, and I really think that First by Nature will be perfect for summer makeup. Even Alyssa Edwards, but I want to stick to First by Nature today. I'll probably go into my other palettes if I need to. I decided on getting a camera, so I think I'm gonna get one soon. So maybe my next video is gonna be on a camera. So that's exciting. So as soon as I got out of work, I actually bought this Fit Me powder and I love it. I never tried the Fit Me powder before, only the foundation. So when I went in the store and tried it, I'm like, everyone keeps talking about how good this powder is. So I went to go check it out and I love it. I use it every day before I go to work now, just to set under my eyes. I look really tired when I wake up, so I just put like a little bit of concealer under my eyes and keep on with my day. Oop, I almost dropped. I'm always dropping something. Bring that energy over here. I'm thinking instead of pink, I should add yellow. should go with the Texas Made, or I think green was nice to look up. I think I'm gonna go with the Texas Made. Yeah, it's pretty blended. I want it to be like smoky, so I'm just trying to blend it out slightly. And your finger, right? I want it to be a little bit thicker than that. Oh, it's not ready yet. I don't think it is. But I'm being hard-headed and still putting them on. I mean, as long as I leave them in the same, as long as I leave them in the right place, it should be fine. It'll dry right where it's supposed to. I just can't mess with it too much, so I'm gonna leave it. I dropped like 3 things today. I haven't been outside a lot. I mean, I go to work and stuff, but I'm starting to tan, so I'm gonna start to need my summer shade soon. But Sephora's not open yet in New York, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. Alright, foundation is done. Powder right here. I can't I will say, you're gonna need more powder than usual for like a summer type of look. Only because you know, especially if it's a hot day or you live in the South or something. But even in New York, it's hot. So, but I highly recommend like a oil control spray, especially if you're oily skin. But if it's summertime and you're sweating a lot, highly recommend you get an oil control spray. I don't have one on me right now. The Urban Decay one, that one worked really good. When I was like in high school, I would use that one on a summer day, and it would take like 12 hours for me to start generating oil on my face. Oh, this is medium, because I'm only using this for setting under my eyes, so it's medium. I don't really need a dark shade. Honey is in my skin tone, so that actually gives me my color back. So that's why I use the honey shade in Fenty. I see it's becoming a thing to put blush on your nose, so I'm about to do that. I'll put some here first. Like the fourth time I dropped something. Alright, the look is done. So I'll just clean my piercings real quick and, you know, fix my hair and all that. But I'm really about to call this watermelon sugar, because I was hearing that song in my head throughout the whole time I was doing this makeup look. But this is great for the summertime. If you enjoyed this look, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I am almost at 200, so that's crazy because it's been like less than a month since I made the 100 subscribers video. Thank you, everyone. And everything that I used today will be in the description, I promise. And I got something kind of interesting coming